Okay, this is our FDA-approved IPL machine, and it combines three functions: IPL, Elight, and OPT. It has two handles. One is the Elight and IPL handle, and the other one is the OPT handle. Okay, and the screen is 10-inch. Okay, and before we start the machine, you should make sure the emergency switch is on. Okay, and then we can start the machine. Okay, here is the language selection, and we can choose the language, English or France, and any other language we can make. For example, we can choose English. Okay, here is the function selection: IPL, Elight, and OPT. For example, we can choose IPL. Okay, and the left can choose the left handle, and the right can choose the right handle. Now we can choose, and SR means the skin recognition, HR means the hair removal, VR means the vascular removal. For example, if we want to do hair removal, we can choose HR. Okay, and here then we came into this working interface, and the left is fluence, it means energy is IPL, and the right is the skin type. 1 to 6, that means the skin type. 1 and 2 means white skin. 3 and 4 means yellow skin, and 5 and 6 means black skin. Okay. For example, we can choose the skin type 4 and adjust energy. It can be adjusted from 10 to 50, and then we can choose 60. Okay. Here is the short counter. Okay, the left is the current counter, and the right is the total counter. So we can press here. Okay. This process is a big process, and here is the filter pot, and you can insert different filters for different treatments. And here is counter window. Okay. And if we want to do the treatment, okay, we can put some gel on the skin and make it even. Okay, and when you feel hot and skin pain, it means the energy is proper. Okay, then we can use this energy to do the treatment. If you can't feel anything, you must increase the energy. And if we want to stop the treatment, we can press disable. Okay, then we can return the last page. One thing you should pay attention to is the VR function. The VR function is only for 1 to 4 skin type. Okay, and it is not work for 5 and 6 skin type. Okay, then we can return the function selection, and then we can choose the Elight function. For Elight function, it is similar with the IPL function. For example, we can choose SL. Because the Elight function, it combines IPL and RF technology, so its effects on the skin recognition It's better. It's better. Okay. And here we can choose energy or IPL. It's from 10 to 50. Here, and we can adjust the RF energy. It's from 1 to 50. Okay, and here is the skin tab. Okay, for example, we can choose the skin tab 4 and adjust the energy to 18. Energy, RF energy adjust to 15. Okay. And next, we want to introduce the functions OPT function. OPT function include two modes, SSR and SHR. They are both for the emotion treatment. Because their frequency is very high, it is from 1 to 8. For example, we choose SHR. Okay, and then we can see the fluence. This fluence for OVT is from 5 to 35. We can adjust it. And here is the fluency is from 1 to 8. Okay. And now we can test it. For example, we choose fluence 5 and energy we choose 5 2. Then we enable. Okay. One feature. Press here and we can enter the password. That's okay. Okay, so you can see it is for the water flow. It is for the temperature. And this is for 100-piece counter. This is for system counter. Okay, when you press there, and we will enter into this working interface. Top is for the number of server ports. This can be adjusted from 1 to 3. Okay, and for example, if we choose 3, there will be 3 sub-ports. Okay, and we can adjust it if the energy is not proper. Okay. When you want to increase the whole energy, you can increase the pulse wise and decrease the pulse duration. Okay, and when you want to decrease the energy, you should decrease the pulse wise. and increase the positive relation, then the whole energy will be decreased. Okay. Okay, that's all.
Thank you.